We're sure you're not prepared for this, but buckle up because you're about to actually earn $1,100 all with the use of Google News. We've created lots of new money-making strategies using Google News, but today's strategy is completely new, with brand new websites, and we're confident you love it. Imagine how different your life would be once you start making up to $1,100 every day. All of your desires, needs, dreams, and again, desires will finally come true because you can finally afford it. No more waiting for bills because you don't have the income yet, but because now you have. Well, we'll be providing you some exact instructions as well as other excellent tips and techniques throughout today's video, so we're sure you won't want to miss it. Today's technique is available globally as it should be, and it's entirely and completely free since it's important to us that everyone participates. It's also beginner friendly, so if you're new to all of this way and the rest of our techniques are actually ideal for you. As a result, we're going to walk you through today's entire process from beginning to end so that you don't have to miss any of the important details. And with that, you must ensure that you watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you don't end up being confused about today's video and today's method, and that you do not skip any parts of it so you don't miss any important details. But before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first step you have to take towards getting your first $1,100 is opening up Google.com. Basically, Google.com is what's going to get us started on earning our money. Now, look up Google News and then click on the first search result, and basically, you're going to see all of the latest news from the most trusted source. Now, you're probably very well aware of this part, but this is for the newcomers, so stick with me. Anyway, what you will obviously see on Google News is all the news from all around the world and all of the latest happenings, and these are all news that are very reliable. They have a bunch of different categories. If there's a certain headline that you're looking for in that way, it would be easier to find, or you can easily just look it up. But basically, everything about news you can find here. Every update that you're looking for, you can find it on here. It definitely serves its purpose, and it does a great job at doing so. With today's video, we want you to focus on the business category, because as long as we want to make more money, business will always be a topic that's going to be present in every conversation. So choose business from the categories right here, and then you're going to see all of these headlines and news related to business. Literally everything. So just find a random article and then you can copy some of your favorite parts on the article that you've chosen, or copy the whole thing. It doesn't matter, and then just keep it there for a while. Now open up Spinbot.com, and this is a step that we must take, okay? Capitalization is not a must, so it's not optional. It can go without it. So when you use this strategy, open up Spinbot, and then what you want to do is paste what you've copied on Spinbot, and Spinbot is basically going to recreate everything that you've just pasted and turn it into a brand new text, an original one. There will be no traces of copy-paste at all, and everything for completely free. So basically, once you've pasted what you've copied on the first box, then what you're going to do is the capture first, and then hit on go, and just like that, your copied article will be rewritten to something completely brand new. And then, on the second box, this is where you're going to see the new one. It's literally that easy, so keep that there in the meantime while we jump into the next step. Now open up textbroker.com, and as you can read on here, ready for enthusiastic users, we deliver the right content. TextBroker is the proven platform to outsource your content creation quickly and easily. Always get the exact content you need. We're going to be posting our brand new rewritten article on this website and get paid for it. That's literally it. So click on, because that's exactly what we're going to be doing. And as you can see, earn money writing content. Do you write content? Is writing your passion? Then right place for you. Since 2005, TextBroker is the leading provider of unique custom content. Thousands of registered authors and customers from around the globe execute more than 100 content orders through TextBroker every month. Our clients, including publicly traded corporations, small business owners, e-commerce websites, social media communities, and publishing houses, require a broad variety of content. So if you are just starting out or an experienced professional, TextBroker gives you access to thousands of writing opportunities. For each topic, choose when and how much content you write. There's no limit to how much you can earn, so you can sign up on this website by clicking on this. And once you have an account, just paste your brand new article and then boom! Submit it, and you're gonna get paid just like that. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now let's continue. Next website is something also very new, and it's called Iwriter.com. And basically on this new website, you can apply to become a content creator, content writer, and get paid up to $80 per content that you're able to write. Are you a writer that wants to earn money writing for Iwriter? Build your own client base, earn up to $80 per 500 words. Once promoted up the ranks, you can write as much or as little as you want each day. You can choose the topics that best match your background. Literally, you won't even have to create any of your own articles because we're going to be using Google News and Spinbot to strategize our way through the whole process through Iwriter and through TextBroker and literally earn while doing absolutely nothing. So if you want to apply on here, just click on this and just go through the process of registration. And once you're all registered, assume and accept that you are going to be accepted. You're going to be able to write content, and all you need to do is, well, okay, a little recap. Go to Google News, look for an article that you like, preferably business related because it's a common topic, and copy that article, paste it on Spinbot, have it rewritten by Spinbot, and then have it paraphrased by Spinbot. Copy the brand new rewritten article, submit it on both TextBroker and Iwriter as your own, and earn up to $1,000 and even more every single day based on how much you can make. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure to leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone, and see you in our next video.